this out. Dropped and chopped. Inside, so that was nice. Tank in the back. This truck here is nice. That truck is here. Hey, what's going on, guys? I figure I'd just give you some backstory to this next couple of videos. It's basically me hauling commercial sand for the commercial lanes. Not hauling frac sand, it's just something I wanted to try out. I had talked to a driver who had been doing commercial since December. So I thought I'd give it a try, and I did for about a week. And as you probably seen on my last live stream, actually I'm still hauling frac sand. So I did commercial lanes for a little bit just to give it a try, and towards the end of the week I tried to go back, but the thing is, the loads that they had planned for the following, or at least the beginning of the following week, were already pretty much covered, so they didn't have any work for me. So I went back to frac, back on the east side at that point, I believe. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little background story to these next couple of videos. I don't know how many I'm going to do. So far I've edited one, which is the one you're probably watching right now, and maybe a couple of more. But yeah, just wanted to give you a background on that. Alright, I'll see y'all next time, and again, appreciate y'all watching the videos. Please hit the subscribe button. If you got a question, please leave a comment below, or send me an email to htown.trucker1@gmail.com. That'll also be in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. What's going on, everybody? April 2nd, just around 7 p.m. and getting back from a 34-hour plus break.
Texas 149 West.
34 hours. That oil field was 24 hours. That is true. But if you haven't heard, or if I didn't post that video where I discussed that, I was talking to a driver that I had trained with during my first week at orientation, who was staged at East Texas back in December, and it had gotten so slow, you know, he was calling, said, hey, you know, when you might get some work. They called him back, offering him a position for driving commercial, on their commercial side over the road, hauling silica dust out of, I believe, Lake Charles, something like that. Talked to him a couple of days ago. I talked to him about it before, earlier this year, and thought about him again. Like, you want to let me call him again, see how he's doing, if he's still doing it. He is. He tells me he's enjoying it. I'm like, okay. Tells me who to talk to, so I call, talk to the lady, gives me some info, asks me when I'm ready, and you know, April 2nd, I think I'll be ready. I'll go ahead and do it then. And the idea, I was like, okay, you know, I'll have to do a 34-hour break. It'll be Easter weekend. go. Flash forward to today. We're leaving Carthage, Texas, and we're heading to Paulsville, Oklahoma. Heading to a washout, a truck wash facility where they'll also wash out the inside of your trailer. So that's where I'm going to do now, since the previous load that I hauled was frac sand. And I need to get it cleaned out because the product that I will be hauling. So I'll be heading there, watching out there, and then I'm gonna head to Mills Creek, Oklahoma, picking up there, and then delivering to I believe it's Dangerfield, Texas. Probably gonna get to Paulsville right around midnight. Supposedly the facility's 24/7. Get washed out there and head to Mills Creek ASAP. Pick up there. Apparently it's self-loading facility. Probably call a buddy and ask him if he's been to this location, because he's been picking up out of Lake Charles. So I don't know if he's picked up from the place where I'm going to in Mills Creek. Maybe the facility that picks up in Lake Charles is the same way as self-loading. Hopefully that's the case, and he can give me kind of a rundown of how to do it. I really never asked him that, but I'll call him today. Hopefully he's up and he can give me some information to help me out there. But anyway, my Easter weekend was good. Got to spend time with the family. And little boy had a good Easter. Some Easter egg hunting in the backyard. But he had a great time. It was good. Good weekend. Got some rest Sunday night and Monday morning. Got plenty of sleep. So refreshed. Equipment. I'll be using the same pneumatic trailer, same hoses I've been using. So blower. So same everything. My same rig, the way it is. It's not going to change. The only thing is I just got to wash out the inside of the trailer, get that washed. I'll be set. You might be wondering, why are you leaving frac sand? Well, I wanted to try it out. This client here that we're delivering for, it's new since I guess this just towards the end of this past year, and they don't know how long they're going to have this customer contracted to do these deliveries for. So I figured I'd just go ahead and just try it out. The money seems similar, except you're doing less loads. So I figured to go ahead and try it out. Like, I'm trying to make as most money as I can while I'm out here. So I figure, if I'm still going to be home, out away from home, like, okay, let me see what this seems like, and maybe it's better, maybe it's the same. I may have to pay wise. So we'll see. It's been a while since I've done over the road. I know what I'm doing now is kind of over the road, but it's really short runs. But I'm just living out of my truck. Well, here it's going to be longer runs, depending on where we're delivering. As far as I think this run that I'm going to do is maybe less than 200 miles. So we're gonna check. I just wanted to try it out. I was like, if the option's there, at least I don't want to just sit there like, well, what if I had done it? Would it have been good? I don't know. The only way to find out is to do it. Friend said he's been doing it for a little bit. He's been doing it since this past December. He been doing okay, so you know, I'm gonna check it out. You know, I thought about doing it a while back, but I was like, well, you know, at that point I was doing South Texas, roads were good, and you know, and towards the end of April, I wanted to make another move. Don't know which way I'm gonna go, and I'm not gonna announce it yet. We'll see. Unless I accidentally let it slip. But we'll see. We'll see. Definitely gotta make something happen, and maybe these lanes will make it possible, at least sooner than later. You know. So we'll hopefully the money's good. We'll definitely find out after running a couple of these loads whether it's worth it or not.